race or do stunts with the RC car again. I came across a lot of moose hair over here.
It's kind of strange. Usually you don't see this much moose hair in one spot.
Yeah, we're going to proceed on anyway.
Here we are again, racing RC cars at the sand dunes. The last video was just so successful we had to make a sequel. I hope you enjoy it.
That is a lot of dust.
Well, as you might have seen in the last video, I had paddle tires. Now I've switched back to the stock tires because, I just wanted to try them out.
And how do these affect the speed?
They're flatter, so you make the car faster. They aren't as good for traction, but they make the car a little faster.
Okay, cool. Okay, I'm recording.
Whoa.
Jeez. Okay, we nailed a pretty hard jump last time, and the car seems to have stopped moving forward. Is there an explanation for this?
Yeah, I think the gear might have became loose. Well, let's check this out.
Okay.
I brought my tools with me, just in case this happened.
Good thinking.
Just what I thought. The gears became loose, and it's not connected to the other gear, which is why the car isn't moving anymore. This is an easy fix. Shouldn't take too long. Just gotta tighten that little screw right there, and then we should be good. And we're good. Right.
Good. The tragedy has been avoided.
There we go. Alright, you can
Nice.
stop recording now.
Looks like we got a starting of a dirt bike course here, right?
Yeah, it looks like someone made a dirt bike track. This wasn't here last time I came.
Okay. You still landed it, technically.
Why had I landed it?
I think that happened last time, too. So we're a bit disappointed by the lack of awesome jumps here. Not that there aren't, like, a ton of them. We wanted one more, so we're trying to make a new one. And it looks like there used to be a jump here that some dirt bikers just ran right over and ruined it. This is a problem. Normal bikes and RC cars don't do this sort of thing. It's the dirt bikes that are really annoying.
Yeah.
We're looking for some more shovels, and we found a whole brand new jump out here that we didn't even know of before. What does this jump look like to you?
To be honest, I have no idea. It's kind of strange. It's like, maybe they're thinking of jumping off here and landing all the way over there. That would be epic. It doesn't look like the jump is completely finished though. So maybe they'll build a bigger later.
That makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah, that's really good.
Just completed this awesome jump. As you can see, it's pretty steep. We're hoping to get a lot of air off of this. So, let's do this. I'll change my point of view as the RC car is moving. Whoa. and virtually no damage done to the jump at all. Two, one.
Alright, tell me when.
Now. Nice.